Heel. Good. Rooster. Dead bird. With the cold weather coming up, the birds were starting to hit the tree lines, so we decided to try this one out. Now, I tried this one last year, and I mean, although it looks fantastic for birds, I had no luck. But we decided to give it another try this year in hopes that maybe the birds have moved in. For real? Oh, running. First dog on the ground today is Jessie. And as you can see, she's quite birdie. And you can tell that she's tracking down a bird. She must be on the... Dead bird. Yeah. Yeah. Jessie, dead bird. Dead bird. There's a girl. Come. Come, Jessie. That's my girl. Come. Good. Give. Give. Good girl. Good. Nice one. So the one you saw running there, it took off, eh?
Yeah, I should have had it.
Yes, sir. Man, that's pretty good. 2 birds right there. You probably could have shot it on the ground if you really wanted to, but...
I definitely could have.
Yeah.
But I didn't want it.
No, that's alright. We'll come back. It'll be here.
It ran a long ways ahead of her.
Yeah. Well, yeah, because you said, I see one running, and I was like, well, gee, we've been going and going, and I think I got a glimpse of it there once, just before the other one took off.
It didn't look very big.
That one I shot is good size. Dead bird! Good girl. Good girl. Good. Great face. Young one. It's a young one here. Nice little bird. Perfect. Good girl, Jessie. All right, Jessie. Let's keep going, girl. Oh, bird! There's one ahead of us. It landed back down. Jessie, it landed back down in front of us there. But she's on something here now. I'll let her work it out. Keep my eyes on the trees a little bit here. Shoot. Had a good chance on it. All right, Jess. We tried. We'll just check that tree and that cedar tree and go right out. Oh, there it is. First two, I wasn't even on it when I shot. I wasn't even on the first two when I shot. Oh yeah, I guess it made it. Like the Wild West here. Yeah, very nice one. Man, I should have gone that a lot quicker. Yeah. Oh well.
Not much friggin' warning.
Nope.
It must have been right in that tree to your right.
Yeah, had to be. They're hard to see, eh? Like, well, we'll head out the field and head her out, I guess.
Well, do you want to walk up this?
Yep.
Cut over and walk down that?
Yep.
Heel.
Yeah, I guess there's no wind, so it's not really not going to tell you which way to go. Only an hour left of daylight. We decided to run both of Andrew's dogs, Clyde and Maya, in order to give them both a chance to be on the ground.
No. Hunt him up. Hey, up in here. Whoop. That looked good, didn't it?
Looks like he's still kind of
It does.
That bird. Not great.
Heel.
What? What? There, what? You're 2 for 2 on that. There's one. There she is. Oh, nice long tail on that one.
Heel.
Big bird.
Give.
That's a big bird right there. Nice one.
Attaboy. Sit. Here, Maya. Sit. Those are 2 nice birds.
Oh yeah, big ones.
Yeah.
Long tails on them. Should snap a picture with your 3 birds there while still daylight.
My 3. My 2.5.
Get 2.5. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. You don't get many doubles, I'll tell you, especially this year.